looks like symmetrical. But yeah, so far it's going out alright guys, it's going good. I'm going to take you in now and show you exactly how I went about constructing it. But I've made the sandbar, that's going to receive the sandbar. I put a backing on it, and that's going to, we just drill some holes in there wherever the wires will come for the sandbar. And yeah, this is going alright really, it's going nice and easy really. So I'm going to take you in guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how I've gone about constructing it, okay? Right, as you can see, like if you watch one of my first episodes, I've come up 260. And it's just a ladder frame. I've tied it in with 100 screws guys, because when you come sideways like this, 80 won't be good enough, so you have to use 100. It comes into about here, so that's fine. Just grabbing hold of it. And yeah, I've put like a shelf on there that receives my fire, and then I put another piece of wood, and I've given myself like a 10mm like clearance, just so I can get it in and out. And then I just come up more to receive my sandbar, and you just keep building up. And on top of that, there's going to be a shelf, and then I've built a frame at the back of it, which is going to be taking 18mm, and my plugs will be all like dialed into it. Hope that makes sense, guys. But so far it's going well. It's all centered. I've measured equal distance on the sandbar. And yeah, I'm just going to show you what it looks like now with the sandbar in it. Right, so I just slot this in. I mean, in a way I can't fix anything because my boy is an electrician, and he's going to be running all the wires, so he asked me not to dial everything in. But it's near enough there. Tight fit. So once I've got it all dialed in, then we're kind of going to be working upwards, so I'll secure this, and then once this is all like we've got the wires and we know what we're doing, then I've got my plate here on the top. I can't screw these in at the moment because when I screw these down, it really bites into this, and it's you can't move it. So yeah, I'll dial that in later on. But yeah, it's going well. There we have it. So once we've sorted out this sandbar in the back of the holes, like I say, I'll tie the sandbar in, then I'll tie this in, I'll glue it and brad nail it. But my next job now is I've done the measurements. But what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to set up a laser level, because this is it, this is where all my measurements are. I've got 37 3/4, I've got my 40mm there, and I've got my 10mm there. I'm going to get a laser and transfer it over to there. I'm going to double check that this gap here is the same as that. I've laser leveled everything, so it should be okay. Right. I've cut my length and I'm ready to go. And there we have it. That's ready to receive the TV, hopefully that's going to be right. So all I've got to do now is stick 2 on the side and that's it. I might stick 1 on the back actually as well, because it's going to hold the back of it, because I've got to put 9mm underneath here, and if I don't put nothing on this wall here, nothing's going to be holding this up. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'll cut another one. This wood ain't lasting long, that's for sure. But yeah, what do you think, guys?